I'm gonna try to recreate this look because I saw this girl and she's so gorgeous.
This is the final look.
I'm gonna mix these two products together. Cotton sheets. Buff in moisturizer. This helps to get rid of additional dead skin. Skin should be hydrated but not greasy. So I'm putting a glowy primer. I'm choosing my Hourglass Ambient Soft Glow Foundation for that soft glow but still full coverage. Leaving the corners like empty first, then we'll go in when there's a lot less product left in the brush. Areas with more coverage, take the leftover foundation, mix it with your concealer. I'm taking the same one from Hourglass. Load it up. Just cleaned up the entire area. You don't get that white strip just from your under eye concealer because you blend it together with the rest of the foundation. I'm gonna set super lightly with a big fluffy brush. Just tap it. This because I'm still adding cream products on top. Let's do her brows. They are really thick and bushy. Hair-like strokes. Make them a little bit more uniform. Look at the difference. Using this like NARS limited edition Valentine's Day palette. The focus is more on the eyelashes. So even thinner brush with the brown. Fill in this gap. We also got a whole bunch of glitter in the center of the eyelids. So let's take our fingers. So pretty. Love this one from the Chinese beauty brand called Out of Office. So let's do it all the way to her brow bones. I don't like how my mid face is gonna look with that technique, so I am just gonna stop it around here and not bring it all the way up. Face contour is pretty simple. It's a very soft contour all around. I'm gonna use something in dark brown. This is Can Make. Inner corners a little bit more. Not pulling it too far out. This is where I'm stopping. Let's take a lighter brown eyeliner and go on the lower lash line instead. These lashes. She's got a pretty big acosal, so we're going to draw a line. A smudging brush, a little bit of that contour powder, brush underneath. Can you see how much bigger this became? Highlight. This is Took. The concealer again. Bit of foundation. Clean it up. When we're done with our creams, let's go in to set everything, and this time we will kind of press it deeper into the skin. Do you see some of the glow is still retained? The center of her eyeballs towards the left. All the way onto the ends of her cheekbones, but not too far out. Oh my gosh, love this glow. Kind of like blending into the eyeshadow. It's full on the top and kind of like wider on the sides with a little bit of smiley upturned lip. 3CE Glow Water Tint in First Letter, just in the center. Glow all over with Jung Samwoo's Skin Neuter Packed. Can you see the difference it makes?